Amber and I are visiting Finland during the Midsummer celebration, and we are in Lahti, which is not really north, but is the beginning of the lakes area. And so apparently Helsinki will actually empty out during this time, but this is a 3-day celebration of the longest days of summer. And it's kind of baffling to me, being from Virginia in the United States, is, during the winter, the sun doesn't shine. And this is far enough north that during the summer at 12 o'clock last night, the sun was still shining. So I'll probably see if I can get a clip of that tonight. But they are doing some preparation for a celebration here. But apparently most people do go into the lakes area, or their summer home, I think they call it, or not the summer home, and maybe their out of town home. I'm sure I got that wrong. But yeah, I'll be excited to learn about that today. So we're learning about a Finnish game. What is it called?
Mykkelä.
Oh, and it's kind of like a mixture of bowling and horseshoes is what I would call it.
No!
I missed. Oh, that was nice.
All right, so part of Midsummer is apparently everybody just gets in the sauna. It's the only place Finnish people actually talk to each other. And then you take this freaking birch thing, and you beat the hell out of your son. When you're in the sauna, you got to jump in occasionally into the cold water, although apparently it's not cold to them, and then go back in the sauna. All right, now the ladies are jumping in. By the way, it's nearly 10 o'clock. How was the water?
Cold.
Where are you going now?
Sauna.
And there you have it. It is 12 o'clock at night, and this is Midsummer. See you tomorrow.